Okay, Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Welcome again to my channel. Okay, today in this video I will show you about the three junctions traffic light system. But the difference is, okay, for the previous video I'm used the 7 segment display for the countdown timer and 3 green LEDs for the indication for the junction. But now for this project I'm using the LCD display, 16:2 LCD display for the indication which junction will move and also the countdown timer. Okay, now let's take a look what are the components that I'm using in this project. Okay, in this project I'm using 4 220 ohm resistors, one 10K potentiometer that to control the brightness of the LCD display, one 16:2 LCD display that will display the junction that will move and also the countdown timer, 3 push buttons for each junction. The red push button is for junction A, yellow push button is for junction B, and the blue push button is for junction C. And of course you need some jumper wires, breadboard, and the microcontroller that I'm using now is the Arduino Uno. Okay, now let's take a look what are the conditions in the system. The condition in the system is still the same as the previous video. The first condition is when there is no car at all junctions, each junctions will have 10 seconds interval and will operate in a sequence. Okay, for the second condition, if there is a car at one of the junction that have car will have 10 seconds interval, while the other junctions will only have 1 second interval. And for the last condition, the third condition, when there is a car at all junctions, each junction will have 10 seconds interval and will operate in a sequence. Okay, now let's take a look how the system works. Okay, let me restart the system. Okay, now we will take a look at the first condition when there is no car at all junction and each junction will have 10 seconds interval. Okay, now junction A, 10 seconds interval. Okay, now junction B. And now junction C. Each of them will have 10 seconds interval. Okay, now let's take a look at the second condition. If there is a car at one of the junction, the junction that have car will have 10 seconds, while the other will have only 1 second interval. Okay, let's say there is a car at the junction B, and I will push the yellow push button to indicate that there is a car at there. Pin pin. Okay, there is a car at junction B. Okay, you will see that the countdown timer will operate in 10 seconds for the junction B. Okay, then move to junction C, while the others junction will only have 1 second interval. Now junction A. Okay, after that it will repeat the loop, repeat for the first condition. Okay, now let's take a look at the last condition. For the last condition, when there is car present at all junction, each junction will have 10 seconds interval. Okay, bim 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 bim. Okay, I will push all 3 buttons. Okay. To represent the all car that are present at all junction. That's why I push all 3 buttons. Okay, junction A, 10 seconds. Now junction B, 10 seconds. And now junction C for 10 seconds. And then after this loop finish, it will repeat for the first condition, that when there is no car at all junction, and each junction will have 10 seconds interval. Okay, that's all from me today, and I hope you liked the video. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon. Love you. Bye. Assalamualaikum.